Welcome to my garden in March. As you might have seen in my previous video, I visited the hellebores nursery and I came back with lots of new plants. This is a double orientalis variety called double elm. I absolutely adore these beautiful flowers. They're full of pollen, so the bees will love them too. I will find a home for these hellebores in the garden, but for now I just want to enjoy them near the house, so that's why I've planted them into these terracotta pots. And it really feels like spring, and these flowers are absolutely gorgeous. At the back of my garden, next to the bench, I have placed 2 terracotta pots that I fill with hellebores as well. This is my favorite spot to relax and drink a cup of tea. I like how the hellebores are dotted through my garden, leading the eye from the front to the back of the garden and adding lots of interest at the end of winter and beginning of spring. There was one hellebore variety that somehow got lost during my nursery visit, and I ordered it online. It is Hellebores orientalis Jana, and it has beautiful dark double flowers. In the middle of my garden I have another group of hellebores that piqued the interest of an odd visitor in my garden. This hen pheasant seemed to love my hellebores as well, but in another way that I like them. I hope she doesn't do too much damage. I must admit she looks quite decorative between my bucks and hellebores. We've had all kinds of weather in March. All of a sudden it starts to snow, so I give my little friend some bird seeds. The muscaries start to flower. With a full belly she is relaxing behind the box domes. It It was so exciting to have her as a guest in my 100 square meter village garden. I didn't get much work done, I just had to observe and film her. I hope you liked the images. I don't know what this behavior is, so if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. At the end of the afternoon, she decided to carefully explore the garden and found herself a comfortable spot at the back of my garden. Again with hellebores. She must love them just as much as I do. Now I know for sure, no one can resist hellebores. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.